Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or remove widgets from the Windows 11 taskbar from appearing. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search menu, type in settings, best match should come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select personalization, and now on the right side, you want to scroll down to where it says Taskbar. Go ahead and open that up. And where it says Widgets, if you want to enable or allow for the display of widgets in your taskbar, you toggle it to the on position. Or if you want to turn it off, you just would left click on it to toggle it off. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.